Friday marks the 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic ties between China and Pakistan. In 7 decades, the two countries have forged an all-weather friendship and conducted all-round cooperation. Here is Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. The road behind me is named the Zhou Enlai Avenue. It has 3 kilometers long and 6 meters wide, and the current site of the Chinese embassy in Pakistan is at the head of the road. The naming decision was made in 2004 by the then Pakistani Prime Minister Shaukat Aziz. It is also the first road in Pakistan to be named after a foreign leader. This is the International Friendship Park located in Shakapurian Mountain in Islamabad. Many foreign leaders planted a friendship tree here during the visit. The tallow tree behind me was planted by Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai during his second visit to Pakistan in February 1964. It is also the first tree of friendship planted by a foreign leader in this park.
Since the establishment of our diplomatic relations in 1951 and recognition of each other's countries, I think it has continuously improved and progressed. And there's a very frequent term which is being used in our friendship, that it is deeper than the oceans and higher than the mountains and sweeter than honey. And it is a very apt description of the last 70 years.
Beside me is the office of Pakistan's CPEC Authority, launched in 2013. CPEC, or China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, is a landmark project of the Belt and Road Initiative.
So the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, why is it called a success story? It's not just on paper. It has delivered different energy plants, power plants. They have added to the electricity of the country, and the electricity shortage, the energy shortage, which was there for the last 20-25 years, is no longer. It has given jobs to 75,000 Pakistanis.
This opens up this entire region for a great economic boom. So we see a very bright future, very bright prospects for CPEC and its dividends, not only for Pakistan and its people, but for the people of the entire region.